what are you doing? Today is the day to build 2D falling design. First, keep domino here. Then keep one over here. 1 second. Then keep one over here. Here. Then keep that over here. Then keep one do like this.
This is what you are doing?
2D falling design.
Okay. What do you mean by 2D falling design?
2D. 2D design.
2D.
2D. Not 2T.
2D.
Yes, 2D.
So what is that 2D?
2D falling design.
What does it mean 2D falling design? I can't understand what you
It
are.
falls like 2D.
Falls
design.
like 2D design. Okay.
These domino do not keep like this. You keep it little bit like this because when it will fall, it will also go like this.
Okay.
Then keep it like this. Yes.
Twisting tilted.
Now keep it over here. Here.
That yellow one will pull the other two dominoes.
Yes. Keep it over here.
And it will break in two directions.
Yes. So that is.
That's why you are telling this is 2D design. Okay. So you should tell like that.
Now here.
The dominoes will be falling in two directions.
Yes.
Okay.
Now it's done. Let's start. Okay.
Yeah.